Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So my son copped this. If it is from a collective mind. So I'm not sure what is this. I guess it's some kind of gaming stuff. It is CRONUS ZEN. Anyway, let's go and then unbox this collective mind. So let's go and then open this up and see what is this. I think he pays about $75. So this is CRONUS ZEN console gaming without limits. Almost any controller on your console. Digitally mod controllers doesn't void your warranty. And then this one has a precision control with the keyboard and mouse for consoles. So it is compatible with the PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, Xbox 360, PS3. And this one is made in China. 90 days warranty. Here's the barcode. It looks like an alien head, but it is not. Is it? Looks like it, yeah, right there. Well, unfortunately, I cannot open this up because he's been selling this. It is factory seal. It seems like somebody tried to open this, but and this one is all sealed with the clear tape. I think he flipped this for around like $124 or $25. He just went out there and sold the first one. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.